So let's stick you on a post. Okay, so we're out with the Meteor75. No, we're out with the Meteor75 today. My favourite drone at the moment, especially in these conditions. There's a bit of wind. We're outside. So we've got the DJI Nano on a post there, and we have this volleyball court, which is pretty cool. It's actually cold in Perth today, but sun is bright, so it's nice that I've got the shade. A little bit worried about the sand, so I just have to be a bit careful with that. We've got these cool shade sails that we can fly in and around, and obviously the nets we can fly under and over like so. Okay, let's move that camera, stick it on here. Look, do you reckon that's gonna work? Yes. Okay, let's see if we can get some clean power loops. Nope. Okay, let's see if we can get a cleaner one. No. That's better. Okay, so let's put you on here.